Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the VinCheck report app review to see with what you're using. Just dive into it. The VinCheck report app help users look up vehicle details by entering or scanning a vehicle identification number, which is the VIN. It provides information such as the accident history, ownership record, recalls, and the market value. Some apps also include feature tools like barcode scanning, maintenance schedules, and exportable report, which make it a handy tool for anyone considering buying a used car. It's also available on both iOS and Android, and the interface is generally simple to use. However, user reports the free version often gives only limited or incomplete general information, with a full report requiring an extra fee. Also, some also mention the inconsistency in the data and has the accuracy depend on the provider. The apps can also be disruptive in certain free version. So in short, the app still worth using if you want a quick and a basic VIN check before buying a vehicle, but not ideal if you need a comprehensive verified history report without paying extras. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.